Here's what you get with the Home Business Academy Premium membership. First, the tools. Smart Post allows you to save a ton of time and get much wider distribution with your short form videos. You record a short form video and you upload it to our Smart Post tool, or you set Smart Post to have that video pulled from your Instagram account. Either way works the same after that. What it does is it takes that one video and it distributes it across multiple major channels so that you don't have to upload each of them one after another after another. Currently, we have the ability to distribute your videos to your Facebook fan page, your Instagram account, your Twitter or X account, your YouTube account, and your LinkedIn account. Additionally, we have a training here, if you click on this little question mark button, that will show you a way where you can even have the video distributed to your Facebook private profile, which is pretty cool. Pinterest and TikTok are coming soon. Additionally, you can connect Smart Post to your Google Drive account or your Dropbox account, giving yourself a backup of all your videos. The next tool is called PromptWrite AI. This is a tool that gives anyone the superpowers of the world's most talented marketers. We have a persuasion writing skill that you can run any of your content through, and it will convert it into direct, persuasive, punchy, copy style writing. We have a lead magnet skill that will help you develop highly desirable lead magnets for whatever it is you happen to be selling. And in addition to that, we have done for you prompts that you can use to generate email subject lines, YouTube video titles, along with thumbnail text, and many other useful prompts that marketers use on a daily basis. You also have the ability to save your own prompts. So if you have a prompt that you use often, rather than storing it in a document somewhere, you can save it here in Smart Post, and then every time you want to run that prompt, you just load it up from there. The next tool is called Gogh AI Image Studio, and this is one of my favorite tools. It gives you the ability to create stunning images and graphics for all of your marketing. We have an AI prompt assistant that will help you craft prompts to create the best images for your marketing. We have the ability to save your headshots here so that you can apply them when you're creating images to use your face in the variety of images that you'll create. We have done for you prompt templates down below here for YouTube, thumbnail videos, social media banners, short form video covers, and even stunning social media profile images and digital product images. This is an example of a short form video thumbnail that I created the other day. And just last night, I got this message from someone saying, I want one of those pics for my profile. I just realized you have one. How do I get one? So this is proof that the Gogh AI image generator not only is useful for creating great images, but actually creates images that get prospects reaching out to you, which is pretty cool. So those are the tools you have access to with HBA Premium. Next, you have access to the training, and this is actually what HBA Premium originally was. Step-by-step training on traffic and lead generation, free traffic, paid traffic, conversion training. When Mike and I created this product, we did so because we had sold millions and millions of dollars worth of products on the internet, and we thought it would be useful to teach how we did that. So that's the origin of the HBA Premium product. In addition to the tools and the training, you also get daily coaching. We call this the Traffic and Conversions Mastermind, and it happens Monday through Friday. And this is where we have an experienced marketer doing their marketing live so you can watch over the shoulder. Additionally, we have questions at the end of each session where you can ask questions to the trainer or to Mike and I directly, as we are present on all of these masterminds. If you're not able to attend a live session, you can submit a question and we will answer that question on the next live mastermind. We even have a little button we can click when we answer your question that will send you an email letting you know we answered your question, and also letting you know which replay to watch so you can get your answer quickly. And because premium members have access to this Monday through Friday, they have the fastest access to Mike and I and other top leaders in the community to get their questions answered. In addition to the tools, the training, and the coaching, premium members also have access to additional features designed to help you sell and grow income faster. On the settings page, we have a section called Multiple Streams of Income. This is where you can save any third-party affiliate links that you have, and the system will auto-populate those links throughout the training area so that when your members watch the training and learn about an autoresponder, for example, and click the link below the video, it will be your link. What's cool about this system is it has infinite roll-up. So what that means is if the people you refer don't save their links here, but then they refer other people who also don't save their links, and they refer other people who also don't save their links, wherever the sale happens in that referral tree, it will roll up to the first person who has their link saved in this section. And this makes it so you can generate multiple streams of income while staying focused in your business. Premium members also have access to record a customized video along with a text description that will display for the people you refer the first time that they log in. This is a great way to welcome your new members, show them around, and also introduce them to anything else that you might be selling, or maybe even deliver bonuses right here in the system. Premium members also have access to privacy demo mode, and this is where you can click a little toggle to automatically blur out all sensitive data in your members area. Why is this useful? If you've been marketing for some time, you might know that oftentimes you want to do a screen record and show people the products or show people different parts of the back office. And historically, what you'd have to do as a marketer is take a bunch of time out of your day and blur out all the names and the emails so that you could make your video but not risk exposing anyone's private data. Well, since we're marketers, we figured it would be great to just be able to click a little button, and now you can even do demos showing people your customer area, and it will blur out the names and the emails of all of your customers. For a marketer, this is a huge time saver. In addition, premium members can also send a message to their entire team with one click. So in the message area, you would simply select this option here, message all customers. You can insert the customer's first name and write whatever message you want to write. If you want them to get an email, you'll check this little box here and then click send, and that will send the same message to all of your personally referred customers. Again, a huge time saver. In the past, I would have to download a list of my customers, and then I would have to try to figure out how to find them all on Facebook, and then I would have to buy a tool and spend an hour learning how to set the tool up just so I could send the message. This makes it so you can contact all of your customers, keep them in the loop, give them updates, communicate with them with one simple click. So that's what you get with the HBA Premium membership. Not to mention, every customer you refer that buys this product pays you $100 residual income per customer. This makes it so you can grow a residual income lightning fast with a much smaller team than you'd have to build in other programs or opportunities. So to learn more about HBA Premium and the world's #1 highest paying residual income compensation plan and company in the world, just visit pipelinemoney.com. You're going to go ahead and put your name here, your email here, and you're going to click submit, and that will take you to a page where you can learn all about the company behind this awesome product, and you can see the other products that we have, and you can also see the compensation plan, the amount of commissions paid. And if you come all the way down to the bottom, you can go ahead and get started if it turns out this is something that you want to use to grow a residual income stream with. Again, that's pipelinemoney.com. Thanks for watching, and leave me your thoughts and comments down below this video. Whatever you do, always go for your dreams. Bye for now.